Disruptions in sleep are often linked to blood sugar fluctuations, which trigger the release of stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, causing early awakenings. Simple dietary changes and lifestyle adjustments can help stabilize energy levels and improve sleep quality. Causes of sleep disruptions. Fluctuations in blood sugar can cause people to wake up between 3 to 5 a.m. A drop in blood sugar triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, which can disrupt sleep. These stress hormones help release glucose stored in the liver and muscles, providing energy for the brain but also interfere with restful sleep. Recommended bedtime snacks. Eating a small snack before bed may stabilize blood sugar levels overnight. Raw honey, collagen, MCT oil, or a combination of these ingredients. MCT oil, found in coconut and palm kernel oils, offers a steady source of energy without causing glucose spikes. Collagen and raw honey, especially unprocessed varieties like robinia or clover honey, provide energy that won't lead to sudden drops in blood sugar. The role of cortisol in sleep regulation. Cortisol is known as the stress hormone, but it serves many critical functions throughout the body. Prolonged stress can increase cortisol and adrenaline levels, which disrupt sleep and cause nighttime awakenings. The body contains cortisol receptors in almost every organ, highlighting its widespread influence on health and well-being. Prevalence of sleep disorders. Waking up during the night is not always a sign of insomnia, though it can still affect sleep quality. Insomnia impacts roughly 14 million people in the UK and 70 million in the US. Sleeping pills such as Ambien, also known as Zolpidem and Zopiclone, offer short-term relief, but can lead to dependence and addiction. The NHS reports little change in the number of sleeping pill prescriptions over recent years, despite concerns about long-term use. Recommended sleep duration by age group. For preschool children, aged 3 to 5 years, 10 to 13 hours of sleep is ideal. School-aged children, from 6 to 13 years, should aim for 9 to 11 hours. Teens aged 14 to 17 years need about 8 to 10 hours of sleep. Young adults, aged 18 to 25 years, should get 7 to 9 hours. Adults, aged 26 to 64 years, also need 7 to 9 hours. And older adults, those 65 years and older, should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Tips for better sleep. First, reduce screen time an hour before bed. Blue light from electronic devices interferes with the body's circadian rhythm. Second, calm your mind before bedtime. Write down tasks or thoughts to help clear your mind before sleeping. Third, avoid caffeine after noon. Choose decaffeinated beverages if you need a hot drink later in the day. Fourth, maintain a cool bedroom temperature. Set the room temperature to around 18 degrees Celsius and keep windows open in warmer seasons to increase ventilation. Fifth, limit alcohol consumption in the evening. While alcohol may help you fall asleep initially, it reduces the quality of deep sleep and causes frequent wake-ups. Sixth, take vitamin D supplements if needed. Vitamin D plays a role in sleep regulation. If unsure about the dosage, consult with your GP. Finally, incorporate foods rich in magnesium and zinc. Magnesium-rich foods include spinach, avocado, cashews, and seeds. Zinc-rich foods include meat, oysters, cheese, and dark chocolate with 70% or more cocoa.